Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going downtown Toronto to take some pictures of the car. So as you guys know, I've done quite a bit this summer on the car, especially the rear end and the front end. So I just kind of wanted to document the progress because I know next year there might be more things that I'm gonna do. So yeah, for all of you guys in Toronto, I'll make sure to post the locations as well as some reference picture that we take. So I'll just put everything on the screen if you guys are interested. And yeah, if you guys are also new to the channel, please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. And yeah, today's just a chill day, just gonna vlog a little bit. So yeah, I'll just take you guys with me and hopefully we have a good day. Alright guys, so we're here with Anthony. You want to tell them your latest purchase?
Okay, so I bought a Cricut vinyl cutter and I want to use it to cut banners and stickers because I think it's cheaper for us to cut stickers that we want and decals for our cars than to like get it outsourced for cutting, if that makes sense. Like instead of getting someone to cut like 1 or 2 stickers for us, we can just keep cutting our own and we can keep testing it. So I was like, whatever. And then I bought a vinyl cutter, bought some vinyl.
Let's ball out, dude. So here's what he made.
So this is like the first test cut.
So what's the plan for that? When we go to car meets, we just put on the dash?
Yeah, so like I feel like when you go to car meets, it's hard to like be at your car and then go to other cars.
Yeah.
So like just like leave on your dash and then, you know, maybe someone will like want to follow you.
All right, you heard her here first. Let's go pick up Greg and Helen and then we can go all the way downtown. All right, boys, we got everyone here. Yeah, how much time do you guys think it'll take to get to downtown?
30.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Oh, we're gonna be driving back in rush hour.
Can we not?
What do you want to do down there?
Rush hour? There's no rush hour.
You trying to pay for parking?
Let's go.
No.
Okay, let's go. Long drive. Alright guys, we just got to the first location, which is Polson Pier. If you guys don't know where that is, I'll just put it up on the screen. But unfortunately, there's a lot of things happening here and they just put black tarp over everything, so probably not going to be able to get pictures here. But we're just going to take a little walk over here right now. So here's the CN Tower, but like I was hoping to get into this parking lot, but unfortunately there's some shit going on, so can't do that right now. Damn, okay, so that's the view I was talking about. Yo, what do you guys think? Dude, I really wish there was no thing here, like none of those black tarps. Could have just pulled up the car in here. God damn. They don't want people to see it. No, but like I think it's because of this thing. Like this wasn't here when I looked it up on Google Earth. Dude, that's a nice view though. Do you trust this wood to drive your car onto here?
Yeah.
Actually?
It's a huge concrete block. Where's your car going?
Yeah, but like what if this wood is just picking the cracks and like can't go anywhere?
No way.
Well, first place is the rip. Alright guys, so moving on to location number 2. So I actually recorded it on my camera, but the footage got corrupted and I can no longer open it, so I'll just show you guys from here. So location number 1 was right here and we were walking on this thing over here. So location number 2 is not too far from here, it's actually over here. So it's this portion of area right here. So if I try to drop this little browser thing here, it's not gonna work because pretty sure you guys can guess why, but yeah, so you go in from here, so that's the street, you go in from here. So I can't really go in there to show you guys the view, so I'll just put the picture on the screen right now. But yeah, this location is kind of sketch, so go in at your own risk. And if they ask you to leave, then you can just leave, like there's not going to be any issue. But let me try to find out what the view looks like from here or something. Okay, so this is the gardener. So you'll get, as you guys can see from the picture, like this is where we took it from, and you can see the gardener in the background, and you can also see the CN Tower and the landmarks. It's a pretty sick spot, but kind of sus, so go in at your own risk. Alright, so now the second location is somewhere that you guys may know. It's called the Underpass Park, but apparently they decided to put barriers on so cars can go, cars that were trying to take pictures like us. So we just found this like alley over here, and it has kind of a nice background over here, so we're just gonna try to make it work with what we have. And yeah, here's the spot. It's this little alley over here, so the Underpass Park is over there, and it's this little road here, and you get this building and this cool ass building over here. So I think I'm gonna back up the car a little bit to over here just so we can get this building in the background. But yeah, so far it's a pretty sick spot. So all right guys, so you guys know that we were just down the street over there, and turns out if you just follow the street and you come down over here, you get this cool ass spot with the bridge in the back. So here's the address if you guys want to come here. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna take a few pictures here. It's actually not a bad spot, to be honest. The light's very good, even that little bridge kind of looks good. I think I'm just gonna take a few shots here and then turn the car around and a few more, and we should be good. All right, so I just turned the car around. Greg, is your gimbal set up properly, or
yeah?
What's your Instagram? Where can we find your work at?
___ for now.
What the fuck?
We'll plug it in later.
Oh, I see. Parking enforcement, yeah. Good call, babe. Alright, so parking enforcement is kind of making their rounds right now, so Anthony's just getting a couple more pictures, and I think we're gonna dip because a wild Karen just pulled up to us, and she basically called us out that we can't park here, so don't want to risk it anymore that we have to. So yeah. Alright guys, so unfortunately we couldn't get any pictures on the bridge because it was still kind of busy at 6. So if you guys want to go get pictures there, make sure to go after 6. I don't know when, but so basically that was all the spots we took pictures at, and you guys saw all the pictures we got. And so there were a couple of breaking that happened today, so of course do this at your own risk. Yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later guys, peace.